Welcome to Big Marv's world.
People used to connect using the World Wide Web. They call the internet. With different types of social media. Store the information sort of like encyclopedia.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Big Marv here, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing another funnel review, and launching another funnel. That's what I enjoy doing. This my favorite part of working with my wave makers is building this evergreen funnel and finally getting it launched with paid advertising. So that's what we're going to be diving into today. So just give me a minute here. Let me get this shared out, and then we'll dive into it. How's everybody's night going? What's good, Daniel? Thanks for joining. And by the way, just to give you guys a little bit of background on the funnel that we're launching, Jason is an affiliate marketer. He has been successfully building his affiliate marketing business online, and we are launching a 30-day quick start guide with a video companion series for his group to start building his list, because he's building an actual full course around building an affiliate marketing brand online. And so we're going to be doing this to build up the list for him so he can start getting his tribe going, and then we will market the pre-launch of the full course, and then market the full course once it's actually there to his tribe that joins through the lead magnet. Fun stuff. Alright, got that shared out. So now let's jump in, and I'll show you guys his funnel. What's good, Megan? Thanks for tuning in. Alright, so take a look here. So we got his lead magnet, like I said, his free book. We got two variations. It's just different copy. So this one, you can see it's tired of struggling to build your online business. Stop being lost at sea with technology and download my 30-day quick start guide that will help you set up and start dominating with freelance marketing in as little as 30 days. And then here is the variation. Just the last shiny object you'll download. Stop being lost at sea. It's the same subheadline. So just the main headline that we're split testing. And then we're going to take them directly to a sales page. And this is one of the reasons why you want to do a sales page separate and then a one-page checkout. One, we've done a lot of testing, and driving to a one-page checkout has increased conversions. And two, you can fire different pixel events, so you can actually initiate a checkout and add to cart, and you use the purchase pixel and use page load, and they all fire accurately back to Facebook. So let's take a look at his sales page. Alright. So it's going to be a low ticket item, that's 47. If they want to buy it, they can click buy now. That will go to the one page checkout. I'm going to hit open in a new tab, but it would open in the same window. Here's the one page checkout. And then here is if they say no thanks, they just want the guide. Gonna go here, and you notice how we still have more call to actions on this thank you page. You always want to include a call to action of some sort, so they can follow them on social media, they can share it, on social media, they have multiple options. They might not do it, but you always want to at least give them the option. And then of course we have the membership area. Alright, so you guys saw the one-page checkout, so let me show you guys the thank you page. This is how they will access the members area if they buy the video companion. So step 1, we're going to be telling them to join the Facebook group, because remember, they're really antsy and they just want to get to the purchase, get to the material. So if you tell them to create their account and access the videos first, they're probably not going to come back and join the Facebook group. So tell them to join your group first. Then they're going to create their account, then access the membership area, and we still have more call to actions that they can do if they're those extra go-getters that click every link in a funnel. So we have that built out, and we have the pixel installed with custom conversion set up. So these are what I like to set up for the Facebook pixel. So you have your traditional page view, but you can see I've added JBF viewer. This is so you can map a custom conversion inside Facebook and run conversion ads specifically on this. It's going to load on every page. So page view is just going to be a page view event, whereas this you can make it view content, which you can run retargeting ads with. Okay, and then let me show you guys the tracking codes I have set up here. So this one, so first of all, you don't need the install script, because by installing it in the main funnel settings, it's going to fire the pixel code on every single page. So now you just need to input your custom events. So the first event you can see is PDF view. Now whenever you copy this from Facebook, it'll say something like view content or add to cart, etc, etc, etc. To create a custom conversion, you just erase what's in the quotation marks and type in whatever you want your custom conversion to be. So we have PDF view, which we're going to put on the landing page of every lead magnet he ever creates. That's a PDF, so we can target all PDF viewers. Then we have 30-day guide view, so in case we want to do retargeting specifically for people that have seen this specific lead magnet. Okay, so that's the two custom events we're going to be firing if they land on this page. Then, excuse me, when you go into the sales page, which is what happens after they opt in, they're going to be firing PDF download, which again is the bucket for all PDF downloads. You're going to put that on the second step of every lead magnet you ever create. And then we got 30-day guide download, which is the custom conversion specifically for that lead magnet. Then we have our cart page. This is where they're initiate and checkout and add to cart, which I like to use both because sometimes initiate checkout performs better, sometimes add to cart performs better. So I just fire both. Since it's a one-page checkout, there is no step in between, the cart and actually paying for it. Whereas the traditional store, you would add it to cart first, then you would hit checkout now, then you would finish your checkout. The one-page checkout eliminates all those extra steps, just makes it one page, input your info, buy the product, move on. That is why it increases conversions, because you eliminate all those extra steps and just get them to what they want. And then here on this thank you page, we're doing purchase, right? Because that means they purchased the $47 product. And you want to use the standard Facebook. You'll notice how on the one-page checkout and this thank you page I use just standard events. I used add to cart, initiate checkout. That's because when Facebook calculates ROAS, it for whatever reason, doesn't calculate it accurately when you use custom events for purchase, add to cart, and initiate checkout. So for your lead magnet, your leads, your forms, those I would use custom conversions like your webinars, webinar replay, etc. But when it comes to like add to cart, initiate checkout, or purchase, just use the standard Facebook events. And then the free book thank you page doesn't have any events firing, because whenever they land on this page, it fires the download. So I don't need to fire the download again here, because we already fired it on the video companion. Alright, and we have a custom domain for this funnel. We've purchased jvmarketingfreedom.com. You always want to use a custom domain. Do not drive traffic directly to app.clickfunnels.com or ClickMagic or whatever the fuck link holder you use. Get a custom domain, drive traffic to a custom domain. Alright, so we're going to be doing a CBO ad. Jason does not have a big budget to start off with, which is fine. He understands that it's going to take 3 or 4 weeks to dial in an audience with this small of a budget. We're all in this for the long game. The important part here is that he's taking action, and we're making this happen. Hey, what's up, Robert? Thanks for tuning in, brother. So this is the ad copy that I've written with the headline. So we're just going to be building it out. He has shot a couple of ad videos. I'll go ahead and share with you guys what his ad videos sound like. And they're just simple videos that he shot with his iPhone or his Android. I don't know if he has Android or iPhone, but you can. Most new smartphones capture in 1080p, so they're more than sufficient to shoot Facebook ads on.
Hey guys, Jason Bleizeffer here. Have you been bouncing around from one shiny
God
object
damn
to
it, hold
another?
on.
Well, everything you need to put your business together and automate it is included in my 30-day quick start. Hey guys, Jason Bleizeffer here. Have you been bouncing around from one shiny object to another? Well, everything you need to put your business together and automate it is included in my 30-day quick start guide. Click the link down below to download it today.
So that's one variation. Here's the second variation.
Hey guys, Jason Bleizeffer here. Are you struggling to set up your online business? So many items in the back end to get set up to run properly? Well, I reveal all that in my 30-day quick start guide. Click the link down below to download it today.
Alright, and so you'll notice that the only variations we have are the creative. I'm going to be using the same copy, the same headline. You don't want to test more than one thing at once, because you don't know what's actually causing the conversion. So first we're going to start with testing the creative. Whichever one wins, then I'll change the headline. Then whichever headline wins, then I'll try a different version of copy. Hey John, thanks for tuning in. We are launching a new funnel for one of my wave makers. So I'm just reviewing the funnel and building the campaign live. Alright, so the campaign that we're going to be running is conversions. Alright? And so this is going to be the 30-day guide. It's a conversion campaign, and we're going to be targeting PDF. Actually, I'm just going to not do that right now, but this is going to be wide US. And then we're going to use CBO with a $5 daily budget. And I'm going to show you guys how to set up a CBO campaign where you can get a fair test. Alright, so you can see JBF viewer is already here. But if you didn't have it set up, you could go into here. Down at the bottom it says define a new custom conversion. You can click that, you click this here, and your custom conversions will show up. Right? And then you just click your custom conversion, you name it. just name it whatever you made your custom conversion, and then categories. So in this case would be view content, but since I've already created the custom conversions, we're just going to select the one I've already created. It's already active. 16 events because I test things thoroughly, so I fired it 16 times. Alright, and then audience, this is going to be a wide US audience. And so here I need to name my ad set. Alright, and then here we're going to be targeting JBF viewer, so that's what we're going to name the ad set. And then this one we're going to be testing video 1. So I'm just going to put V1 there. Okay, and then now I'm going to copy this so I have it for the name of the ad. Yeah, let's leave it wide US. No detail targeting, no nothing, because it's such a small budget. We can't really spend a lot of time testing and trying to dial in detail targeting. Let's just let the Facebook pixel do all the work. Hey, what's up, Scott? Thanks for tuning in, brother. And then placements. This is a 15-second ad. So we're just going to be hitting stories and in stream. I guess we have to use at least Facebook feed to do in stream. But we'll get rid of in article and apps. And then we're going to optimize for conversion. Hit continue. Alright, it's going to be a single image or video. And then IG. He hasn't linked his IG up yet. So we'll just do selected page for now, and then I'll have to link that up with Jason. So media, we're just going to add video, upload the videos I have prepared from him. V1. Hey Jen, thanks for tuning in, boo. While that's uploading, we'll go ahead and grab the ad copy. And then I'll go ahead and load up the URL here, just to make sure it works. Alright. And then headline. Alright, so now let's customize the video. And it has to be either 16:9, which obviously isn't going to work, or 1:1, or 4:5 to work in stream. So we're going to go 4:5, and let's see how this looks. It takes 30 seconds to 2 minutes. These motherfuckers ain't lying.
Hey guys, Jason Bleizeffer here. Have you been bouncing around from one shiny object to another? Well, everything you need to put your business together and automate it is included in my 30-day.
It works for me. Now let's go pick the thumbnail. We're just gonna have to go automatic because it didn't pick up any other ones. Alright, now let's do captions. You always want to do captions because like 80% of people, some ridiculously high number like that, don't listen or don't watch videos with sound. Bunch of weirdos.
Hey guys, Jason Bleizeffer here.
So it's not Blazer, it is Bleizeffer.
Have you been bouncing around from one shiny object to another?
From one shiny object to another.
Well, everything you need.
Well,
To put your business together and automate it is
and automate it is included.
included in my 30-day quick start guide. Click the link down below to download it today. Quick start guide. Click the link down below to download it today.
Alright. Save. It is 4-5. We'll do it again. Maybe it didn't save it. Now it says cropped 4-5. Blah blah blah. So hopefully it gets it. Hopefully it gets it, and we can move right on. Hopefully it gets it, and we can move right on. And sometimes it does get it, and it just doesn't update this till you come back into the ad, like publish it, you know. So let's just go with it. And then we gotta make sure the pixel is turned on. Or actually it's a conversion ad, so it should be on by default, yeah. And then confirm. Alright. So now, after this is done, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a fair split test to test this variation. So you can see this ad here. First thing I'm going to do is grab this title because I forgot to name the ad. So let me name the ad. Always you want to use a naming convention so it's easy to find ads later, because once you get into creating tons and tons of ads, having the naming convention to make it easier for you to search is just going to work out better for you. Alright, and so now that I've updated that, let's go to the ad set. I'm going to show you guys how to set that up when you're using CBO. So under budget and schedule, you go to more options, click this ad set limits, and then it's a $5 daily budget, so we're going to set this to $2. We're going to go ahead and publish the ad name change. Alright, now that that's done, we are simply going to duplicate the ad set, which is going to duplicate the ad. Alright, now this one you can see it says V1 copy. We're just going to change V1 to V2. Then we're going to go to the ad. We're going to do the same thing, change this to V2. Then remember we're split testing the creative, so I'm going to change this video to add V2. And this is just telling me existing engagement won't be duplicated, which is fine. We're changing the creative, so I wouldn't expect it to. But if you duplicate and don't make any changes and just publish, it will bring all those shares, comments, likes, etc., over with the ad. Alright, so now let's customize this video. Let's crop it 4:5. Apply. Let's wait our 30 to 2 minutes. 30 seconds to 2 minutes. What's good, John? Thanks for tuning in, brother. We are building an ad campaign for one of my wave makers. He's launching a new lead magnet, building an affiliate marketing business. Alright, cool. So we got that done. So now let's go to the thumbnail. See if it generates. Nope. It's only got the one. So you can take pictures and upload a custom thumbnail if you have them, but I don't have one for him, so I'm just going to leave it. And then now we are going to correct these subtitles.
Hey guys, Jason Bleizeffer here. Are you struggling to set up your online business? So many items in the back end to get.
We should cleanse. Set up your online business. So many items in the back end to get set up.
Set up to run properly? Well, I reveal all that in my 30-day quick start guide. Click the link down.
I reveal all that in my 30-day quick start guide. Click the link down below
To download it today.
Just download it today. Alright. Save and save. Cool. And remember, we're using the same copy, same headline, because you only want to test one variable at a time. Now we're going to hit publish. Okay, so now if we go back to our ad sets here, we should have our two ad sets, right? So let's select both ad sets, go into ads. Now you always want the ads to have something to run against themselves. So if you only have one ad, alright, so we're just going to duplicate and make no changes, just a straight up duplicate. And publish. So now if you check your ad sets, should have V2, V2 copy, V1, V1 copy. They're all in review. So it's a $5 a day CBO campaign with a hard limit of $2 minimum set to each ad set. So both ad sets get a fair test. Running two different creatives to this lead magnet. And the lead magnet, once they opt in, they're going to get the video companion. And I want to show you guys something else. We did set up, or Jason set up these follow-up funnels. So his 30-day quick start guide, I always coach to write an email for every single day of your sequence. So he is sending them valuable emails every single day that, you know, for every single day of his 30-day book. Hey Eric, what's good, man? Thanks for tuning in. And then if you take a look at his video guide, it's the same thing. Every single day they get a new video delivered to them. And see, he only has 18 made so far. So remember, this is set up in a drip, so all you gotta do is stay ahead of your audience. He has an 18-day buffer. So we launched today, so all he's gotta do is get in here and make another video a day. Make sure he gets all 30 days built in here before the first person gets to day 18, and he's golden. Nobody will ever know that the course wasn't 100% complete when they joined. As long as you just stay ahead, be consistent, and deliver that valuable content to your audience, they will keep coming back every single day. And all of these emails have call to actions in them, to different steps in the value stack, depending on what action they take in the email, and where it's the most natural. So his value stack are his lead magnets, his bonuses, his free Facebook group, his paid Facebook group, his mini course, his full course. So he will be plugging those items throughout the different emails depending on where it suits best, where it's most natural. So you can use tags to tag your end users as they go through the emails, as they click on different things, so you can dial in those retargeting messages, so you can make sure you're sending the right message to the right person at the right time, because that is the key to successful follow-up and making those conversions in your follow-up sequence. Anyways, this is Big Marv. I hope you guys enjoy this. Launching a funnel, getting ads built out, and turn it on. I'll go live here in a few days to review the ad campaign and show you guys how it's performing and how you would scale it from there. This is Big Marv. Thanks for tuning in. One love, baby.